How to efficiently compare two unordered lists, not sets. A and B should be considered equal, because they have exactly the same elements, only in different order. The thing is, my actual lists will consist of objects, my class instances, not integers.
On. The counter method is best, if your objects are hashable. On log n. The sorted method is next best, if your objects are orderable. ONN. If the objects are neither hashable, nor orderable, you can use equality.
You can sort both. A counting sort could also be more efficient, but it requires the object to be hashable.
If you know the items are always hashable, you can use a counter which is on. If you know the items are always sortable, you can use sorted which is on log n. In the general case you can't rely on being able to sort, or has the elements, so you need a fallback like this, which is unfortunately on squared.
If you have to do this in tests, this URL. Assert count equal first, second, message equals none. Test that sequence first contains the same elements as second, regardless of their order. When they don't, an error message listing the differences between the sequences will be generated. Duplicate elements are not ignored when comparing first and second. It verifies whether each element has the same count in both sequences. Equivalent to, assert equal counterlist first, counterlist second, but works with sequences of unhashable objects as well. New in version 3.2. Or in 2.7, this URL. Outside of tests I would recommend the counter method.
If you want to small, please consider some studying.